Hey everybody, it's Kellen. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Facebook ad budgets. So a lot of Facebook marketers are having really good results when it comes to very low cost conversions. Unfortunately, the opposite is also true. With a lot of inexperienced marketers jumping into the marketplace, they're seeing exactly the opposite, where their conversions costs are really high, if at all. So today we're going to go over the top 3 ways to reduce your Facebook ad costs. Stick around. Before we get into the top 3 ways to help reduce your Facebook ad costs, if you like seeing these videos and you love getting information to help drive your business forward, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, share it out with your friends, and leave those bells on so you can get notified every single time that we release a new video. Let's get right into it. Number 1 is to know your audience. When you know your audience, Facebook actually gives you bonus views for the same amount of ad spend. The more you interact and keep people on the platform, the happier Facebook is, and they're willing to reward you with additional views for lower costs. Making sure that you know exactly who you're advertising to. Are you advertising to college graduates? Are you advertising to business owners? What industry are they in? What are their hobbies, their likes, their dislikes? The more clearly defined that you can target that ad to somebody with copy in your advertising that's going to directly resonate with your audience, the better off you're going to be. You're going to increase those bonuses by Facebook, and you're going to get a lot more attention. Unfortunately, the opposite is true. When your targeting is off or your messaging is off from your target, people don't pay any attention. It's not something they care about. All right, tip number 2 is using a bid cap. A lot of people know that you can set lifetime and daily limits on your Facebook campaigns. However, setting bid caps sets a limit on the cost per action. So you can start your campaigns, and if you can only afford like 50 cents a click, you can set your click limit at 50 cents to help control some of your costs. It allows you to get the traffic within the range in the spot that you can afford, while eliminating super costly clicks such as $1 a click to stay within a realm that you can better control your costs. And finally, tip number 3, avoiding busy times of the year. When you advertise during peak times like holiday seasons, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, those times are times that are always being advertised to in very large quantities by companies with very deep pockets. So your cost is going to go way up when you advertise during that time. Instead, plan your promotions to be slightly off time. Get your message out prior to those holidays if you're doing a holiday launch, or start your promotions just before and maybe end just after. So you have the time before you advertise to hit your holiday rush and the time after to hit that holiday rush without necessarily having to pay for ads right during peak time. That's it, guys. 3 tips to help you control your Facebook ad cost when it comes to your Facebook ad budgets. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with a friend. Tag somebody who you think is going to be able to use this information. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, or feel free to reach out to me on any of the social media sites. I'll leave information down in the description for you.